Hi boys and girls, let's get started and let's do a phonics sound test. So this is exactly how we would do a sound test during the school day. So if you were going to be doing this at school, you would find a special spot, you would get a pencil, and you would be prepared to write down the uppercase and lowercase letter of every sound that I call out. So I am going to quickly go through a sound test for you, and I'm going to go a little quicker than even normal because you can always stop it. If you need to stop the video for a second while you write down a letter, that would be fine, but I'm going to go a little bit quick just because it'll be easier for me to get this sent out. So go ahead and write your name at the top. Put your finger on number 1 and be prepared to do this sound test. Remember, you need to write it nice and neat. Make sure your letters starting at the top and going down to the bottom. So number 1 on your paper, go ahead and write the uppercase and lowercase letter that makes the sound S. Write the uppercase and lowercase letter that makes the sound S, as in spider. Number 2, write the upper and lowercase letter that makes the sound H. The upper and lowercase letter that makes the sound H, as in hard. Number 2. Number 3, write the upper and lowercase letter that makes the sound A. The upper and lowercase letter that makes the sound A. Number 4. The upper and lowercase letter that makes the sound R, as in red. R, as in red. Number 5, P. P, as in pop. Write the letter that makes the sound P, as in pop. That is number 5. Number 5. Number 6. Number 6, I want you to write the upper and lowercase letter that makes the sound M. The upper and lowercase letter that makes the sound M. M is number 6. Number 7, write the upper and lowercase letter that makes the sound A. Upper and lowercase letter that makes the sound A, as in octopus. A, as in octopus. All right, so I'm going to go through that first row really quick. 1, S, 2, H, 3, A, 4, R, 5, P, 6, M, 7, A. Move to the next column, so you're on number 8 on the other side of your paper. So you're up at the top on number 8, and that letter is going to be D. Looking for the upper and lowercase letter D, as in door. D, as in door. Number 9, I want you to write the upper and lowercase E. Upper and lowercase E, as in egg. E, as in egg. All right, moving on. Number 10. Number 10. I want you to write the upper and lowercase letter that would make the sound W. Upper and lowercase letter that would make the sound W. W. Number 11, I. Number 11, I, as in igloo. I, as in igloo. Number 12, N. Number 12, N, as in nice. N, as in nice. Number 12 was N. And number 13 is going to be G. Number 13 is G, as in go. G, as in go. 14 is Write the upper and lowercase letter that says Now, the next thing you're going to notice on your paper is you will have those two rectangles. On those two rectangles on your paper, these are going to be the words. They are sight words that we need to be able to spell. So the ones that we have been practicing this week in class are can. So in the first box, I want you to write the word can. You can sound that one out, but we're also trying to just remember it. So write the word can. And in the second box, write the word see. So can in the first box, see in the second box. And that's the sight word see. I see you. Write that on in the second box. Can and see. Okay? If you need a little more time, just stop the video, finish writing those two, and then push play again when you're done. All right, the bottom of your paper, we have 3 words that you're going to tap and spell. So that means that I will call out a word. You're going to chop up those sounds in the word, and then you're just going to spell it on the line, okay? So I'm going to give you 3-letter words. There's going to be 3 sounds for you to tap out. On the first box, I want you to write the word top. Top. T-op. Top. T-op. Top. Go ahead and write those sounds. T-op. Top. Moving to the second box, and again, stop it if you need more time. Moving to the second box, I want you to write the word bus. Ready? B-us. Bus. Sorry. B-us. Bus. So right here, you're going to go b-us. Bus. Bus. And on the last line, I want you to spell the word pin. Pin. Listen to that. P-I-N. Pin. P-I-N. Pin. So go ahead and spell pin. That should complete your paper. If you have written those 3 words, you have done a sound test for me. Families, as you are listening, I do think I sent home 1 or 2 of these for this week, or if you're listening to this any week, this is exactly how I give my sound test every week that we do these. Sometimes I'll add in harder ones, like our digraphs, so I might say shh, and they would need to write sh, or I might say th, and they would write their th. But if you are at home and you're practicing at home, or your child misses a day of school and they come home with an empty sound test or sound quiz or sound practice paper, you could absolutely do your own at home. I just call out random letters. Most of the time I try to spell words. It only helps me when I grade the papers later if I kind of put them in order to spell words, but there is no particular order. So go ahead and just give them sounds, have them write them. So after this one, if your child has more of these in their packet or more of these at home to do, just go ahead and call out sounds for them and let them do it on their own, okay? So that's all for this task. And so I hope that you were able to get your sound test done, and I'll look forward to looking at those later. Thanks. Bye-bye.